things beautiful, functional, and inspiring for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you have been searching for that one perfect element to tie your entire backyard together and create a true destination in your yard, you have come to the right place. Today we are exploring the stunning world of beautiful gazebo design ideas that can turn any ordinary lawn into a luxurious 5-star resort experience. Whether you want a quiet, breezy escape to read your morning book, or a grand, solid roof pavilion to anchor your backyard entertainment, a well-designed gazebo completely redefines outdoor living. Stick around as we showcase the most spectacular trends and architectural styles that will inspire your next home project. A gazebo is a freestanding, open-sided backyard structure, typically built in a hexagonal, octagonal, or rectangular shape, featuring a solid, fully covered roof that provides complete shelter from both solar heat and rain. Choosing a gazebo design is a brilliant addition to your landscape because it offers a distinct, weather-protected outdoor room that traditional open-air patios simply cannot match. Beyond adding a majestic, permanent architectural focal point to your property, it guarantees year-round functionality, allowing you to enjoy fresh air comfortably through midday heat or unexpected summer showers. It represents the perfect harmony of structural elegance and practical luxury, boosting both your daily lifestyle and your home's curb appeal. Do you have a romanticized vision of a gazebo in your yard? This garden feature will add shade, a place to sit, and a major dose of style to your yard. But before building a gazebo, there are a few things to consider, like cost, the size of your yard, the size of the structure, availability of materials, and who is going to build it. Depending on the scope of the project, you may have to get plans approved by your city. Other things to consider are the foundation, water drainage, plumbing, electricity, where it will be located, and what functionality you'd like your gazebo to have. Don't get discouraged. Any project requires time and planning. While you're working on details, get inspired by these 15 beautiful and diverse gazebo ideas, which include a range of styles from budget-friendly DIY options and splurge-worthy designs. One, woodwork gazebo, a round gazebo with chairs. Even though this gazebo looks simple, the woodwork is so intricate it's its own garden art piece. The gazebo is the perfect size for two people to sit and relax together and take in the fruits of their labor. 2. Poolside gazebo, a gazebo next to a pool. A gazebo has multiple purposes, from creating a relaxing spot to sit in the shade to creating different zones in a large backyard. The gazebo in this backyard houses a seating area right off the pool deck so swimmers can grab a snack or take a break from the sun and water. 3. Traditional gazebo, a round ornate gazebo. The hexagonal-shaped gazebo allows for a 360-degree view of the garden and has a quaint design that fits seamlessly with the surrounding garden. The lovely green color blends in with its landscape. 4. Natural wood gazebo, a wood-stained gazebo with a hammock and seating. This natural wood gazebo is the perfect backdrop for this boho-style outdoor living room. The comfortable seating, hanging plants, string lights, and outdoor rug will make you want to spend hours outdoors. 5. DIY gazebo, a gazebo with a black rug and outdoor sofa. An outdoor sofa and rug in this DIY gazebo, along with some plants, hanging string lights, and woven pendant lights, create a cozy living space where you can take in all the fresh air all weekend long. 6. Indoor-outdoor gazebo, a large white gazebo with curtains and seating. The half wall of this gazebo gives you the best of both indoor and outdoor lounging. The lattice wall brings interest to the gazebo while allowing you to still enjoy the view beyond. 7. Whimsical gazebo, a gazebo filled with plants and seating. The arched opening is an inviting entrance to this cozy gazebo. The opposite end of the gazebo features a lattice wall that provides a beautiful view of the garden beyond while still making the seating area feel secluded. 8. Dining gazebo. A wood gazebo with a dining table. This gazebo takes dining al fresco to a new level. The simple wood frame is the perfect backdrop for a meal outside. The surrounding garden, cloth-covered table and cafe chairs make you feel as though you're eating on the patio of your favorite restaurant. 9. Tropical oasis gazebo. A poolside gazebo with curtains. This tropical-inspired backyard is complete with a large gazebo that features curtain walls so you can easily choose between privacy or enjoying the fresh breeze and view of the pool. 10. Enclosed gazebo. A glass-enclosed gazebo. If you have a 360-degree view of nature in your yard, a dining table inside a gazebo is a must. This gazebo has all glass walls that give you the benefits of being indoors but allow you to enjoy the natural surroundings. 11. Seating gazebo. Gazebo ideas. A classic gazebo is outfitted with simple wooden bench seating to create a lovely spot to contemplate a garden in full bloom. Surround this gazebo with flowering trees and vibrant blooms. 12. Entertaining gazebo. A large gazebo with an outdoor kitchen. Make the gazebo the star of your entertaining thanks to a full-size outdoor kitchen for summer cookouts. This gazebo even includes an outdoor bathroom so you don't have to trek all the way back to the house. 13. Backyard gazebo. An aerial view of a backyard with a pool, gazebo and pergola. Every area of this backyard serves a purpose, from the pool and lounge area to the garden pergola and the small gazebo that protects from the outdoor elements. One side of the gazebo features a bar top and seating so you can enjoy a cocktail or meal when you aren't busy swimming in the pool. 14. Glass gazebo. Glass gazebo ideas. Tempered glass protects this Scandinavian gazebo from fantastic Frank from the elements. The metal and glass structure is placed on a stone patio connected to a walkway for a cohesive look. A round dining table and chairs turns it into an all-weather outdoor dining room. 15. Luxurious gazebo. Gazebo ideas. This spacious outdoor living space from Caraman is a luxurious take on the concept of an outdoor gazebo, equipped with a fireplace, living and dining areas, exposed wood beam ceilings, wood floors and gauzy curtains that frame the Napa Valley CA view. Crafting a beautiful outdoor escape is all about selecting a structure that speaks to your personal style and matches the natural flow of your garden. From classic white-painted wooden pavilions hidden among lush greenery to sleek, modern minimalist structures outfitted with cozy outdoor drapes and comfortable seating, the possibilities are endless. When you invest in a thoughtful gazebo layout, you are doing more than just putting up a roof. You are creating lasting memories in a beautiful setting right in your own backyard. If these gorgeous gazebo design ideas gave you some fresh inspiration for your home, please smash that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for your weekly dose of luxury outdoor inspiration. We want to hear from you, so drop a comment down below letting us know which gazebo design style was your absolute favorite, or share how you plan to upgrade your outdoor layout this season. Make sure to tap that notification bell so you never miss a video, and we will see you right here in the next one.